Here's how to make a FaceTime audio only call on your iPhone. Now let's first just head into the phone app here. You can see I have some contacts on here, and if I tap on the little I will be able to FaceTime them just by tapping on that FaceTime icon. So this is one way to FaceTime somebody, or if you wanted to, go to the app library and open up the FaceTime app, you can see new call. However, if I tap on their name here and I just tap on FaceTime, it will automatically default to a video call, not an audio FaceTime call, which is really helpful if you basically just wanted to be able to mimic a normal phone call, but you don't have good signal where you are, but you're connected to a good Wi-Fi. Now, the easiest way to do this is to go back into the phone app and navigate there. So I'll show you, if I just tap on FaceTime here, you can see it just automatically pops up with that FaceTime call. However, I don't want that. I don't want the video on. What I'm gonna do instead is next to the little message icon, the little phone app, if I tap on it, again, you can see it calls. So that doesn't work either. It's kind of hidden behind this. I'm gonna press and hold on the phone, and then there is FaceTime audio. I can tap on it and then tap on phone. And just like that, I'm into a FaceTime audio phone call with that person. They'll be able to pick up, we'll be able to chat, but keep in mind by doing so, it is not showing the video and it's only showing the audio.